Hello everyone. Let's continue with our chapter Settlement, Transport and Communication. So till now we have already learned about settlement and sites and types of settlement. After that, in next video we learned about transport, origin of transport and the four modes of transport. So these four modes of transport are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. So till there we have already learned in our previous videos. Today we will learn about communication. Communication involves the transmission of messages. Initially, messages could be conveyed only over short distances, either orally or by body movements. Later, signals using drum beats, light, smoke, flags, etc. were devised to send messages over longer distances. With the invention of writing, written messages began to be carried from place to place by messengers. Today, with the development of modern modes of transport, mail can be transported from one place to another by road, rail, water or air. Messages can also be transmitted by using electromagnetic means. This is known as telecommunication. Many people now use cell phones or mobile phones. These phones are not connected to wires and can be carried around. Messages are even sent through satellites using computer networks. The use of satellites has made it possible for events to be telecast live throughout the world. Thus, it is now possible to watch a Republic Day parade in Delhi or a cricket match in Australia from any part of the world. The use of computers has increased the speed and reduced the cost of sending messages. The internet is a network connecting millions of computers all over the world, which can exchange information amongst themselves. People all over the world can log on to internet and send electronic mail known as email, hold discussions or gain access to various types of information available on the network. Some means of communication can reach a large number of people at the same time. These are known as mass media. Television, radio, films, and the press are examples of mass media. They provide news, information, and entertainment and also create awareness about issues like literacy, healthcare, and family planning. So now let's recapitulate the important keywords of the chapter. First one is settlement, a human habitation comprising buildings, means of transport and communication and inhabitants. Settlement can be temporary settlement and permanent settlement, rural settlement and urban settlement. Transport, the means by which goods and people can be moved from one place to another, mainly roadways, railways, waterways, and airways are the modes of transport. Next is communication. Transmission of messages are known as communication. Communication can be telecommunication. So, telecommunication means any type of communication in which messages are sent using electromagnetic means. Internet, a network connecting millions of computers all over the world which can exchange information amongst themselves. Mass media, means of communication that can reach a large number of people at the same time is known as mass media. So this is enough for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.